In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change currency on GoDaddy. If you want to view GoDaddy prices in a different currency, the good news is that it's a very quick process and doesn't require any complicated account settings. This is especially helpful if you're browsing domains from another country, comparing prices more comfortably, or simply want to shop in the currency you prefer. To get started, open your GoDaddy account or go to the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once the site has loaded, head over to shopgodaddy.com. This will take you to the shopping section of the website, where you can browse domain names and other products. After that, try searching for a domain. You can type any domain name into the search bar just to access the results page and get into the main shopping view. The exact domain you search for doesn't really matter here, because the goal is simply to reach the part of the site where the currency selector is easy to find. Once you're on that page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. Take your time here, because on many websites, including GoDaddy, important regional settings like language and currency are usually placed in the footer area. If you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling until you reach the very bottom. There, you should see the option that lets you select your preferred currency. Click on the current currency setting, and a list of available options should appear. From there, choose the currency you want to use. As soon as you select it, the website will update the displayed pricing based on your choice. And that's it. Your preferred currency should now be applied while you browse the site. A quick tip while doing this: if the page doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh the browser once. Also, keep in mind that product availability and pricing can sometimes vary slightly depending on region, so changing the currency may also affect how prices are shown across the site. That's the full process for changing currency on GoDaddy. As you can see, it's a simple adjustment that only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to browse and compare prices much more easily in the currency that works best for you.